Hey, it's another day with May, and today we are making a low-carb cookie skillet. All right, for your ingredients, you will need a half a tablespoon of vanilla extract, a tablespoon of tahini, or you can use any nut butter, half a cup of butter, make sure it's room temperature, a fourth of a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 eggs, a half a cup of your favorite low-carb sweetener. Here I'm using Lakanto. Oh my gosh, Lakanto. I always have trouble saying that. Granular sugar, but you can use whatever. Some chocolate chips, and your almond flour and coconut flour. So I used about a cup of almond flour and then a third of a cup of coconut flour. All right, let's get cooking. All right, first things first, you need to take all your dry ingredients, put them into a big bowl and mix them all together. So let's do that now. I'm gonna take my baking soda and salt, mix it in with my flours as well as the sugar. Put that off to the side. Make sure it's nicely combined. Alrighty. All right, now I'm just going to transfer this to another bowl because I need this one to whip the butter. All right, now we're gonna take our butter and add it into our bowl. Oh no, butter gone. Go, butter, go! We got there eventually. All right, take your mixer and mix up this butter so it's nice and fluffy. Perfect. All right, so once it looks like that and it's nice and whipped, then you're gonna start adding in your other wet ingredients. First off, the vanilla, followed by your eggs. And your tahini. I'm just gonna mix up the yolks because I stupidly used my mixer, or this thing, the whisk, to put the tahini in. All right, so now that that's in, we're gonna take the mixer and blend it all up, or mix it all up, I guess. And now time to add in your dry ingredients. Make sure you do this slowly though. So I'm just gonna add in a little bit. All right, now you're gonna take your little baking spatula, whatever you like to call these, and just kind of give it a little bit of a mix through. Time to add in your chocolate chips. Yeah. Mix those through. Oh, little rogue one. Now it's really starting to look like a good cookie dough. Okay. Now grab your skillet. If you don't have a skillet, you can make these into individual cookies, or you can put them in a pie tray or tin or a cake, I guess, tin, whatever you call those, you know what I mean. It really doesn't matter what you put them in as long as, I guess, you get the really yummy flavor of this cookie. So here I'm just using a small skillet. You can use a large skillet and bake this entire thing, but this recipe, if you use a small one, does make about 4 skillets. Okay, Now with clean fingers, go ahead and just kind of clean everything up a bit. Make sure there's no uneven spots. It's a lot easier to do this with your hands and a spatula. Perfect. Now preheat your oven to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and this will cook for approximately 10 to 15 minutes depending on your oven. I'm gonna go put this in the oven right now. All right, and we are done. Here is the beautiful cookie skillet that you can enjoy with some ice cream, maybe drizzle a little healthy chocolate onto it, and then you're good to go. Anyway, until next time, see you later.